Nimefurahi kuwa hapa siku ya leo. We are Public Investments Committee, Education and Governance. We were programmed to do audit in this school today of the infrastructural projects that are ongoing. But as you know, we lost the principal, Mr. Daniel, a few weeks ago. So first we condole with the Polytechnic for the loss of their dear one, their principal, their accounting officer, and we say pole. And in honor of that, we have not done the audit that we were supposed to do. We just looked around and just inspected the ongoing projects. But we will come for an audit, proper audit, once all this is settled, once the school is calm, and once you've dealt with the burial of the loved one. So that's why we're here. So we are done and we want to go. Our responsibility as a parliamentary committee first is to ensure when we come to a school like this, we want to look at the challenges, establish what is ailing them, and propose how we can make this institution better. That is one of the key responsibilities here, but we will come for that. For now, tunasema tu pole kwa Madam Principal and the entire fraternity ya wanafunzi wote wa institution hii, lecturers, workers, na the entire population ya Kisii County na Nyamira kwa kumpoteza principal. Ni hayo tu kwa sasa. Tuko hapa wote